A very good evening to you all. I would first and foremost like to thank all of you for your support and love, your faith that you have always had in Global Homeopathy. Thank you so much. Of all the suggestions that I have received for what you would like to hear from me during my sessions, one of them has been a question. Yes, what do I do to maintain health? So, well, friends, being the need of the day, I thought of taking up on what I do to maintain my health. Friends, I learned the value of health very early in life. What with diseases around me, within my family. Yes, you name it and they were there. Be it blood pressure, asthma, eczema, diabetes and its complications. I've seen my mom in and out of hospitals due to kidney complications related to diabetes, and later also for being treated for her vision, which was diminishing fast, and till she ultimately almost turned blind. Yes, friends, seeing all this around me and much more when I entered medical college or joined the hospital. So the question came to my mind, why so much misery? Why so much suffering around related to diseases? So before I could even set my career, set my practice, the first thing that came to my mind was, what can I do to maintain my health? It's only if I am healthy can I help, guide and educate people to health, isn't it? It's just like a person who is happy can spread happiness around. Same, if I am healthy, I can spread health around. So friends, let me tell you what I do to maintain my health. First and foremost, a good sleep. You must be wondering before any activity I'm talking about sleep. Well, it's that important. A sound sleep, be it 6 to 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours. It depends. Each one's body's need is different. So, a sound, deep sleep which refreshes you in the morning is what I look forth to. And I sleep for 6 to 7 hours. When I used to take a nap in the afternoons, I found that my sleep at night would be disturbed, or it would not be so deep or sound. So I stopped having afternoon naps. With that, I have very sound and deep sleep at night. It refreshes me in the morning. How many hours of sleep that you need depends on what number of hours refreshes you in the morning and keeps you active throughout the day for whatever you have to do, all your activities. That is the amount of sleep that each one needs. How does sleep help us? It helps rejuvenate us. It helps to heal our body. It relaxes us. Yes, it boosts our immunity too. And it's most needed in today's times, isn't it? One more secret I will share. A good sleep helps you to lose that excess weight too. Well, friends, I have a regimen before I fall asleep. What is it? I have a lukewarm water bath. I switch on soft instrumental music, and I have my prayers which I end my day with. So with this, I have a nice, deep, sound sleep which refreshes me in the morning. Well, what is the next thing that I would do? After a good, refreshed sleep, first thing in the morning I do is my exercises. Yes, around 45 minutes of exercises 5 days in a week. Research proves that 30 minutes of exercises daily keeps you mentally and physically healthy. Yes. Exercise releases a feel-good hormone which takes care of stress, anxiety and depression. Exercises makes you feel good, it makes you feel happy. And when you are happy, you are in a good state, in a mental and physical state, and you are able to do your things much better than you would have otherwise, isn't it? So, with a good schedule of exercises, I take my day ahead. In today's time, especially with so much stress around, with people having so many things to worry of, be it job, be it finances, be it extra physical exertion, a good exercise, trust me, a good exercise in the morning helps you to deal with all of these very well. If you have not been an exercise person, I suggest that start with at least 20 minutes of exercise. Start your day with that. So, with this, after I finish my exercises, I sit in the sun for around half an hour, unless it is cloudy or raining. While I am sitting at the window to get soaked in the sun, I also keep my steamer on to inhale steam. First, let me talk about the importance of the sun. Well, sun is one of the natural healers of our body. It is very important source of vitamin D too. And vitamin D is very important for the absorption of our calcium, which makes our bones and teeth healthy. If vitamin D is not sufficient, calcium is not absorbed well. Also, vitamin D is very important to boost our immunity. Researchers have proved that it is one of the sources or one of the important things to boost our immunity. And well, in today's times, it's of utmost importance. Well friends, today I am talking about all the things that I do other than food and water, because for that I would take a separate session. So here, talking about the exposure to sun and its benefits, I go to the next thing which I do while I am sitting at the window, is taking steam inhalation. Steam helps to clear our nasal passages by clearing the mucus. Yes, it also helps to kill the germs. And while I am sitting at the window and I have finished my steam inhalation, but still being soaked in the sun, that's when I start my WhatsApp. So I use my time beneficially so that I get the benefit and I can do my other work too. With this, I begin my day. Exercises, sun, exposure and steam. And I'm all set, geared up to have my online consultations and to deal with patients. By afternoon, I would like to have some form of relaxation. But as I told you before, I avoid taking a nap in the afternoon so that I get a deep and sound sleep at night. So what do I do to relax myself? Well, I meditate. I meditate for around half an hour. Half an hour? Well, let me tell you, let me share with you. I struggled and struggled to get into meditation. It was a very tough task. And our monkey mind, is all over the place. But almost 5 years back, when I got into Vipassana, that's when I learned exactly how to meditate. And from 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I have been now able to practice it regularly for 30 minutes. Meditation is a very important tool which helps you to de-stress at different times. It's like we wanting to teach our children karate so that they can take care of themselves in an untoward situation. You cannot just face the untoward situation and have a karate chop without having learnt it, without having practiced it. So when you have practiced something, that tool is handy with you. And once you learn to meditate, it is really a beautiful experience and a tool available to you at all times when you feel stressed out or you are very tired during the day and you want to have a sleep but you are not unable to. So 10 minutes of meditation gives you almost a feeling of having slept for half an hour to 45 minutes. That's the magic of meditation. So with this afternoon relaxation, I again begin my evening session back, attending to calls, attending to the consultations, and I end my day with yoga and pranayama. Well friends, you must be thinking, after an exercise in the morning, why yoga and pranayama? Well, this is my all-time favorite. I was exposed or I was introduced to yoga at a very young age, but it was much later in life when I actually started practicing and I had the opportunity to do the teacher's training course. Yoga is something which balances you mentally and physically. It helps to balance all the hormones also within your body. And trust me, it's so beautiful that even if you're tired, you don't mind. This is something you don't mind doing. So for those who have not been into yoga, I suggest 5 exercises standing, 5 yoga postures standing, 5 sitting, 5 lying down, followed by pranayama will not take you more than 20-25 minutes, and it again rejuvenates you before your dinner time. So that's my schedule for the evening before my dinner time. After I finish my dinner, we have a family time, and last I take my homeopathy dose. You must be thinking, being a homeopath, I'm talking about homeopathy last. Yes. Friends, first and foremost is having a healthy lifestyle. Everything else follows that, be it your medicines or anything. So, I take my dose of homeopathy, which is meant for my body. It is special. Every homeopathy medicine has something different for each one's body types, depending on what they have or what family histories that they have. And this medicine helps you the best when it comes to boost your immunity. For this, you should contact your homeopath and take their guidance. So friends, I have come to the end of the day before I go to sleep. So what are the things that I told you about? I told you about a good sleep. I told you about exercises, getting exposed to the sun, steam inhalation, meditation, yoga and pranayama, and last, homeopathy. So friends, whatever I spoke to you now of what I do takes me around 2 hours and 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. So total 9 to 10 hours of the day is what I use. Still, I have another 14 hours to do all that I want to do, happily and energetically. So let's take care of ourselves the best we can and motivate people around us, be it our family and friends. Fear of COVID has been as good as it has been bad. Anxiety and panic is not the answer, but that little bit of fear which helps us to change our lifestyle for good is what is important. It's just like before exams, that fear, that nervousness helps us to study. Otherwise, we wouldn't have. So, well, let's not make it a lifestyle change only for the present, only till COVID is there. Let us make this forever. So, this is what I would like to end my session with, and I would like to hear from you more on the topics that you want me to speak on. So, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates on life, health and homeopathy. See you next week, same day, same time with something more colorful. Watch out for the surprise. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends.